Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make 5 styles of table lamps with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a simple table lamp. I'm going to take a 1x1 round brick and a 2x2 round dome and place the dome right on the top, right in the center. And yes, it looks like a little mushroom, but it makes a nice simple table lamp. Now if you want more of a slimline version of a lamp, take a 1x1 nose cone. I'm going to place a transparent yellow stud right on top. And one of these little bell cone pieces. Set that right on top for a slimline table lamp. If you want to add a bit more character to your lamp, let's take one of these weird looking minifigure hats. That's what Lego calls them. I'm going to place a transparent yellow stud right on top and a 2x2 dome. The stud is going to act like a little light. Or if you want to change things up a bit more, we're going to take a top portion of a fire hydrant. That's what it looks like. I think that's a minifigure hat. Place a transparent yellow stud and a 2x2 dome brick. And finally, if you want to get a little more advanced, we're going to take a 1x1 nose cone. I'm going to stack a set of transparent yellow studs right on top of one another. And then I'm going to take a transparent clear round 1x1 plate with 3.2 shaft. Then I'm going to place the shaft right inside of an inverted 2x2 dome brick. And this one here looks about the same as the others, but it's built completely different. Now we have plenty of table lamps to light up the interior spaces of our Lego home, or if you want, put them in your garden. Make great mushrooms too.